how to set up Hostinger email on Gmail Mobile. So if you want to set up your Hostinger email on Gmail Mobile, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Gmail application. After opening your application, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top, and then just simply go with add another account. And here you will have all of these options, right? So you can go ahead and choose Google, or you can even go with other options as well. It depends on whatever email setting you have on your phone. Now, if your basic email is, created on Google Workspace, then I would suggest going with the other option or IMAP option. So just simply tap on other and then add your email address. Once you enter your email address, you need to just simply go with next, and it will ask you for your password or IMAP server and your port, your security type and everything. You just need to simply enter your password, which is required. And after entering your password, you'll be able to log into your Hostinger email on your Gmail mobile. So don't worry if you don't have the Hostinger email option. You can just simply go with other, and then you'll be able to add it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.